The last 3 years I had older kids, and so I've always had this set up for older boys, all about 5 and 6 years old. Things have changed, and now I have babies, and I just don't know what to do.
But then we would still have create an open space because it sounds like all of the children want to use the bigger space.
Porque lo que pasa es que a lo mejor todos los niños quieren usar el espacio grande.
Sería una muy buena idea expandir todos los juguetes de los niños en todas las diferentes áreas, porque esta área está abierta para todos.
Ajá.
Entonces, y los bebés están en todas las áreas. Entonces, esa idea sería perfecta.
It's a baby gate. So it's kind of, we're going to section off a portion of the room so that the babies can have a safe place to play and not be interrupted by the older kids and stuff like that.
What we did here is we gated off the STEAM, so science, technology, engineering, arts, and math area. And the main reason we did this is because we wanted to make sure that the materials that were appropriate for older children were still accessible, but not for the younger kids.
Yeah, so what we have here is mainly safe toys for both toddlers and preschoolers at different levels of difficulty. So what we've done is we put the smaller fine motor materials, so the usually more difficult stuff in the STEAM area, which is behind us. And then over here we have on the bottom the most simple fine motor materials for the young toddler who's crawling now to access, and above it is a little bit more difficult stuff for the preschoolers.
In this space, we have the art materials down low and accessible to the children because the toddlers aren't going to be able to get in here because we have this nice gate that will keep them out. This table is really great because it's adjustable, so if you have the little kids over here but the older kids are working on a project, they can actually stand at this table and you can make it higher, and it lifts up rather easily. And let's put it back down. Great.